Yo, Minecraft miners, want to grab a super tough, unbreaking 255 pickaxe in Minecraft 1.215? This 2-minute guide's your ticket. If this rocks, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's dig in. First up, Unbreaking's an awesome enchantment that makes your pickaxe last way longer by cutting durability loss. Minecraft 1.2 1.5 caps enchantments at 255, so we're maxing out Unbreaking for a pickaxe that's nearly unbreakable. Step 1. Launch Minecraft Java Edition 1.2 1.5. Jump into any world, survival, creative, whatever, or start a fresh one. I'm hitting up my survival world. Step 2. If you're in a world already, hit ESC to pause, click Open to LAN, flip Allow Cheats to On, and hit Start LAN World. It's done in like 5 seconds. For a new world, just turn on Allow Cheats in the Creation menu before you start. Step 3. Press the letter T to open the chat. That's where the magic happens. Type this command. It's in the description to copy-paste because it's kind of long. This spawns a diamond pickaxe with Unbreaking 255. Hit enter, and boom, the pickaxe pops into your inventory, glowing with max durability. Step 4. Let's test it. Head to a cave or mine, stone, coal, even obsidian, and start swinging. Check it out. You can mine tons of blocks, and the durability bar barely moves. I dug for ages, and this thing's still like brand new. If the pickaxe doesn't show, recheck the command or confirm cheats are on. Pro tip, save the command in a note for quick reuse. That's it. You're set to mine forever. Like, subscribe, and drop your favorite block to mine in the comments. Peace out. Catch you next time.